Welcome back to Ahero-Kisumu Farm, and today we are not in Machakos, we are in Ahero irrigation scheme. Yeah. Now, before I continue, I want to say thank you. Thank you to the people to the people who've reached out from Ghana, Morocco, Nigeria, Liberia, Somalia, wherever. Je voudrais vous dire merci beaucoup. Yes. And now to rice farming. I know you didn't expect we could do rice. At Ahero-Kisumu we do anything and everything as long as it is organic farming. Yes. Now let me take you through a tour in rice farming, and it's not just rice farming. Wherever we step, we have to plant a tree because we are keeping it green.
Rice farming in Ahero's black cotton soil is a process that takes up to 4 months from cultivation to the harvest stage. Land is prepared by plowing segments of it that is dry, then it gets flooded gradually as the soil gets more softer. The farm is then flooded completely with water until the soil is softened enough. Transplanting of seedlings is done. Weeding is also done to ensure healthy growth of rice and that no competition is there between the weed and the rice for nutrients. Ahero rice farming involves the use of channeled controlled water to irrigate the farms. Therefore, one needs an outlet and an inlet as the farms are compact and needs trench to draw water to the farm. Uncontrolled weeds can lead to farm being infested by weeds, leading to low or even no harvests.
We are just from the farm. As I said, wherever we step, we plant a tree. We make it green. Think green, live green with Ahero-Kisumu Farm, organic farming. And we are planting a tree seed as a fruit seedling today. Kindly, wherever you step, make it Ahero-Kisumu. Think green, live green.
We continue to learn about how to plant and grow trees in different areas, different soils in our country, Kenya. And also, if you have a soil which is like black cotton soil, how you plant your fruit tree is very different from how you plant them. You grow them in red soil or clay soil, because black cotton soil tend to be very hardy, like this one. It's like a stone, so it needs more water for the roots to penetrate through. Like you see, even my finger cannot get through. So this is what happens even to your roots when you try to grow them in the soil, black cotton soil, because it's so it's so compacted. So you need to loosen the soil. You need to dig a hole of 2 by 2. Is the best one you can do, and then you should not bring back the black cotton soil to the hole. So you need to mix a very loose soil like this one. You can see this one, the roots can penetrate very easily and very quickly. So you need to mix a well decomposed manure with a very loose soil in black cotton soils, so that you find your plant can grow very easily and very quickly. So all these you can see in the hole, all this soil is a different one from which we dunk around the hole, the black cotton. So what you do is, when you have your tree like this tree here, this is white support fruit tree. We are planting it here, and you make sure you don't disturb the roots at this stage as you cut down the planting material. Okay, so you cut it cleanly. Oh my goodness, you can see the roots. These are the roots of the tree. So what you do is that you need to disturb here in the ground. So you have to cut these roots here. The beauty of cutting these roots is that you will encourage you have disturbed the tree for it to start finding more nutrient in the soil, and so that it can grow very fast. So you dig in between the hole that you have done. You have to dig in between it. You can see how the soil now is very loose. So I can dig it even with my bare hands. I don't have to use gloves. But you cannot do this to black cotton soil. After that, now you have to put your tree inside. Okay. When you put it, now you have to close it with the manure with the soil, the mixed soil. By the way, you have to put more water in the soil, so that as you plant it, the soil is very wet. Okay, so that the plant can grow very quickly, and it has no challenge to do with the moisture. So make sure you put water for planting. For this kind of hole, minimum you can put is 20 liters of water in this one hole. So when you do that, you're good to go. Yep.
Merci beaucoup de personnes qui a souscrit avec notre page J Kusenga, personnes qui viennent de Togo, qui viennent de Nigeria, qui viennent de Sierra Leone, Somalie, Rwanda, et tout le monde. Nous voudrions vous dire merci beaucoup.